main verbs, and auxiliary verbs is auxiliary verb, am auxiliary verb, was auxiliary verb, were auxiliary verb. These are auxiliary verb or helping verbs. Helping verbs. So that is the difference between main verbs and auxiliary. Auxiliary or helping verb. Auxiliary or a helping verb. For one example, let us see what we call. How can we understand? How can we identify action verb or whether it is a main verb or auxiliary verb, for helping verb. For example, here I am playing cricket. I am playing cricket. Now tell me what is in this sentence main verb? Main verb is playing. Play is main verb. So what is auxiliary here? Helping verb? Am. So it is called auxiliary verb, and playing is called main verb. Playing is called main verb. So auxiliary and main verb. Sometimes auxiliary verb also can act as a main verb. Listen carefully. This note. Auxiliary verbs also can act as a main verb. How? I am a boy. I am a boy. I am a boy. Here in this sentence it is a main verb. In this sentence it is a main verb. Now let us see the difference between I am playing cricket. I am a boy. In this sentence playing is main verb. Am is helping verb, and in this sentence am is a main verb. So auxiliary verbs or helping verbs can act sometimes main verb, and almost this will give this help to the main verbs. So these are the small brief explanation in verb form. Now let us move on to next one is called preposition. 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 What do you mean preposition? Preposition is a word which gives relationship, or which links between noun or pronoun, verb in the sentence. It shows the relationship. Preposition it shows the relationship to the person or a thing or animal. So let us see how many types of prepositions are there. There are various types of prepositions are there. First one is simple prepositions. Simple prepositions. What we call simple prepositions? You know, in, preposition, of, preposition. Next, tell me, inside, preposition, yet, preposition, from, preposition. Okay. So next, what else? In, of, yet, from. Over, preposition, under, preposition, etc. These are all called simple preposition. So what are called simple prepositions? In, of, inside, at, from, over, and under, etc. Now second thing is double preposition. Double preposition. Double preposition. Double prepositions are among, and to, and on to. Double preposition. Sometimes we write double preposition along with. So these are called double prepositions. Now let us, first one is simple prepositions, and next one is double prepositions. Next one is compound prepositions. Compound prepositions. What are compound prepositions? Compound prepositions are, first let us take A, starting with A. Above. Okay. Next, across. Above, across. Next one, we can say B, below, behind, beneath, etc. Next, inside, outside, outside, within, without, These are called compound prepositions. Above, across, along. These are called compound prepositions. Second one is below, behind, beneath. Beneath means down. And next one is inside, outside, within, without. This is called compound prepositions. Next one is called next type is participle preposition. Participle preposition. Participle preposition. What are participle prepositions are? Inform, ending with inform. Considering, regarding. Considering, regarding. Okay. So these are called participle prepositions. What are participle prepositions? Ing form. Also we can find here also ing form. So this is called participle prepositions. Last type is praise prepositions. What is that? Praise prepositions. Praise prepositions are along with, in addition to, according to, accordance with, in spite of, etc. These are called praise prepositions. One is along with, in addition to, according to, accordance with, in spite of. Next one also in case of. Let us see one example. In case of fire, ring me. So what is that? In case of fire, ring me. So in case of is called praise prepositions. Why it is called praise? Group of words. Here, in addition to, according to, accordance with, in spite of, in case of. These are all called praise prepositions. Okay, let us continue next class.